In a land where the sun never blinked, the rivers whispered their last secrets to the parched earth. "We are fading," they murmured as the trees listened with drooping leaves. The animals gathered, their eyes reflecting the barren landscape. "What can we do?" asked a small bird, its voice a fragile thread. "We must adapt," replied the wise old tortoise. "Find new ways to thrive." And so they shared their resources, learned to conserve, and slowly, life began to return. The land, once silent, sang again with hope and resilience.